Hello. Today we're going to try to move this menu search box from here at the top of the menu down closer to the panel, or at the bottom part of the menu. Uh, I used to use Windows 10 a lot. I accepted the search bar being in what they called the what we call the panel, what they called the taskbar. But I think this is a little high. Then when we used it, we really didn't need it in the taskbar like that. But I really would like it down here to the bottom, especially now that we have the ability in Linux Mint 21.2. Now that we have the ability to adjust this. So our efforts today is going to be move the search box from here down to here. We'll need an open terminal, and let me make this a little bigger. I got some notes here. Okay. I've never done this. I've done it on all my other computers. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3 laptops, 1 netbook, and 1 portable drive I've done it on, but I've never done it on the new Linux Mint 21.2. The first thing we need to do is make a local copy. So we will copy and paste this right here, and we will copy that, and we'll put it over here, and we'll paste it and press enter. Now we need to open that copy of that file in a text editor. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste this right here and press enter. Okay, and here's our open copy. Okay, now what we need to do, we'll just go ahead and open this up so maybe we can see it better. I'll see if I can give you a, yeah, now maybe you can see it. In 21.1 it was around line number 2840 or 2840, and the one I seen online it was like 2440. I'm not really sure where it's going to be here. We're going to start hunting for it. Let's go to preferences and turn line numbers on for now. Okay, let's go down, see if we can find it around line 2840. Gonna be way on down. Takes a little while here. I hope my video is working good. Okay, that's not where we're at. That means we're probably lower. Let's see if we can find this. Okay. Let's see if we can do a search for it. We need to reopen this with something. It'll probably take me out of here, but that's okay. We'll do what we gotta do. The line we need to find is right here. We need to look for search box span 1. So search box span 1. Okay, let's reopen this. Okay. Let's zero in on it again. Okay. Let's do a find. Let's do a search box. Okay. Here it is, we found it. It's at 2714. Okay. So let's we need to copy this. Okay. Right click and cut it. Okay. Then we need to go down right here. We want to add a line. I want to put it out here. Then we want to paste it. Paste that there. Now we want to go up here and save it. Save it. Now you might want to go in and preferences, turn off your line number so when you open your text editor next time they won't be on and surprise you or hinder what you're about to do next. Okay, close this. Close the terminal. Now we need to reset the Cinnamon desktop, okay? And in order to do that, I'm just going to put these letters in here so you can see them. We're going to hit the letters, or the keys. We're going to hit the keys. Control, Alt, and the escape key, okay? This right here is the 3 letters you need to hit to reset your Cinnamon desktop once that line is moved, okay? So we're going to exit out of this. We're going to close without saving. I only typed that in so you know the 3 keys we need to hit. Control, Alt, and Escape. Close without saving. Hit Control, Alt, Escape. My Cinnamon desktop should have been reset. We go down here. And now our search bar is on the bottom. Yippee yippee yay. Press NW. That brings Warpinator to top. So that also works on 21-2. If you try this, you try it at your own risk. It's just something that I've seen online, and tried and got it to work, and I really wanted. That's one thing I wanted to change about Linux Mint. I just used to having all of my little icons and search boxes and commands at the bottom for the most part, and I just really wanted that on the bottom. And there you have it on the bottom. And when you reboot, if it's on the bottom now, it'll stay on the bottom. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting, and please come back and visit the channel sometime, anytime you like. Thank you and goodbye.